Hello guys, and welcome to this new Tableau tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create the following dashboard, which is about Breaking Bad series. As you can see here, we are going to create different charts like lollipop chart, word cloud, sunburst chart, area chart, box plot, and different text sheets. Also, as you can see here on the top of this dashboard, we have the different titles of the episodes, and each time we select a title, it will give us the season, the episode, the IMDB rating, the date of release, duration in minutes, and US views. On the right, we have the description of the series. On the left, we have the title. But before creating our different charts, let's first explore our dataset. So we import our file, which is Breaking Bad dataset.csv, and you can find the link in the description in order to download the dataset. We have 8 fields and 62 rows. The first column is about the release date of each episode. Then we have the season, so each season contains a given number of episodes, and in total we have 5 seasons. Next we have the title of each episode, the duration in minutes of each episode. We have the US viewers in millions, IMDB rating, and the director. So here for each episode we have a director. Now let's create our first sheet. So click on sheet 1. We change the release date into date. Okay. US viewers in millions into number decimal, and we convert it into measure. For the season we convert it to dimension, and same thing for the episode, we convert it to dimension. The first chart that we are going to create is the area chart for the viewers by year. So drag and drop release date into the columns. We select the entire view. We drag and drop US viewers in millions into the rows, and we get our line chart. So click on automatic and we select the area chart, and we are going to format our worksheet. So double click on the axis, we cut the title, and we rename the sheet US viewers in millions by year. Okay. Right click on the release date, hide field labels. We click on format, workbook, and here we are going to select grid lines as off, and same thing, 0 lines as off. Right click, format. For the shading we select green, and if you want to get the exact color you can find the code in here. Alright. Okay. For the color of the area chart we select white, and same thing for the font, we are going to select everything in white, so bold 9 white. For the borders we select everything in white. Okay, white. Same thing for row divider and column divider, and same thing for the title. Double click, you put it in the center, bold white, apply. Okay. Right click, format title, and we add the border in white. So like that you get our first sheet, which represents the US viewers in millions by year. Next we are going to create the word cloud for different characters. So right click, duplicate, double click on the title, we change it to characters, right? We remove everything from the rows and the columns. We close this one, and we drag and drop the director into label. We click, we select text, and we drag and drop episode into the size, and we select measure count. So like that, the bigger is the name, the higher is the number of episodes. For example, for the biggest word we have count of episode is 11 for Michael McLaren. Then we have Adam Bernstein, we have 8, etc. So like that we get our word cloud for the different directors by the number of episodes. Next we are going to create lollipop for the episodes by seasons. Same thing, we duplicate this one. We rename it into episodes by season, right? Okay. So we remove everything. we drag and drop season into the columns, the episode into the rows, and we select the count, so measure count. And here we select automatic, right? We press Ctrl key and we duplicate the value. So click on the first one and we select circle. We decrease the size of the second one. We click on the second one and we select dual axis bar, and we increase the size of the circles. Okay, we right click, we hide the header. Same thing, we double click and we remove the title. We press Ctrl key and we drag and drop the count of episode into the label. We click on label. For the font we select black and it will be in the middle and center. So like that we get the different episodes by season. Next we are going to create the box plot for the IMDB rating by season. So same thing, right click, duplicate, and write the IMDB rating by season. Okay, so we remove everything from the rows and we keep season in columns and the IMDB rating into the rows. So click on box plots, we drag and drop season into the columns, we select the entire view, we click on analysis and we click on aggregate measures, we double click, so remove the title, and we do not want to include 0. Like that we get our box plots. You can also change the colors of the box. So you right click on the axis and edit reference line, and here you can select the color that you want. For example, we select this one, dark gray, and we click on OK. We get the following box plot. We can also drag and drop episode into the detail, and for example you can see here the episode number 6 has the highest rating, which is 9.3, and the episode number 4 has the least or the lowest value of the IMDb rating, which is 8.3. And for the highest rating we have the episode number 14, which has rating of 10. Next we are going to create the Sunburst chart for the episodes by season and minutes. So same thing, right click, duplicate, we change the title into set episodes by season and minutes. Okay, so we remove everything. Same thing for the season and the episode. We click on analysis, we click one more time on aggregate measures, we click on the down icon in here, create calculated field, we name it point, and we are going to use make point built-in function to create our point 0 0. Apply. Okay, so drag and drop point into detail. We have the first layer, next we add layer, and we add one more layer. Same thing, we click on season hierarchy, create hierarchy, name it season, and we click on episode hierarchy and add to hierarchy season. We can also change the name of the marks. So the first one is the center, then we have the seasons, and finally we have the episodes. Okay, so remove the latitude and longitude from the columns and the rows. We click on circle, we select pie, same thing for the remaining pie chart, and for the color we select white. We decrease its size. Okay, for the second one we drag and drop season into the color and episode into the angle, and we select count. First one has 7, 13, 13, 13, and the last one 16. For the last one, same thing, we drag and drop the hierarchy season into the color. We click on the plus and we click in here, we select color. We can increase its size. And like that, we get the different episodes for each season. But we have said that we want minutes, so hide card. So we drag and drop duration in minutes into the detail. So like that, we get the different episodes in each season with the duration in minutes. Now we have to change the colors. Okay, so to do that, we click on analysis and we display the legend, right? We click on edit colors. For blue we have blue. For the red we are going to change it into green. Apply. For this one we change it into its color. Apply. And same thing for the green, we change it into the corresponding color. Apply. OK. And like that, we get our final Sunburst chart for the episodes by season and minutes. We can also create one more calculated field and we name it total episodes, right? And we name it dot episodes, right? Apply. OK. So we click on center, the first one. We drag and drop the calculated field into the label. And same thing, episode into the label. We select measure count. Click on label. We put it in the center. And we put it in black. Okay. So like that, we have our final Sunburst chart. Next, we are going to create our text sheet for description. So right click, duplicate. So remove this one, don't need it. Same thing for this one. And here we remove everything. So we hide the title. So create calculated field, description, right? And we copy and paste the content of this following file. Same thing, you can find the link to download this file in the description. So we copy everything and we paste it into our calculated field. Apply. OK. So here we select automatic and we drag and drop the description into text. So like that, we get our description. For the size, we can increase it. And same thing for tooltip, we can remove the description. OK. So like that, we have our description. We just need to change the name of the sheet into description, right? Next, we are going to create 6 text sheets. As we have said, we want to select a title, and for each title, we will have the season, the episode, the IMDB rating, the date, duration in minutes, and US viewers. So we duplicate the director sheet and we put it in here. So we name it season. OK. So remove everything. Hide the title. So drag and drop the title into the filters. Select one, apply. OK. So show filter and format to select the font in black. Customize, we remove all and single value drop down. We drag and drop the season into text. So click automatic, we select the center. And in here, we are going to write season. OK. Apply. OK. So like that, we have the season. Now we duplicate. We need the episode number. So we remove season, drag and drop the episode. Same thing, we click and we add the episode. Apply. OK. Next we want the IMDB rating. So we copy that. Same thing, we remove and we select the IMDB rating. We click and we paste IMDB rating. Select everything, center, apply, OK. We can also format that. So number, custom, and we select 1 decimal place. Next we want the release date. So name it date or release date. So remove this one. We want the date. We click and we paste in the center, apply, OK, and we want to format the date. So we click on format and so we want the exact date and we click format, we select the date. Alright, so duplicate, duration in minutes, we copy, so we remove, we drag and drop duration in minutes into text, we click, put everything in the center, apply, OK. And the last one is the US viewers. So duplicate, US viewers, copy, OK. So remove this one. We drag and drop US viewers into text. We click. Put it in the center, apply, OK. And we can also add M in front of the number. Apply, OK. So like that we get our text sheets for the different titles. Now I'm going to create our dashboard. So we click on new dashboard. We define our size. So we put 1850 and 1050, right? And we drag and drop our sheets. So start by the area chart. And we click on dashboard format and we select green. Next we have the word cloud. After that we have the lollipop. Next we are going to add an image. Okay. So here we have the title of the series. You can also find the link to download the images in the description. And we are going to put it in here like that. All right. So center and fit image. Okay. Next we add the description in here. Then we have the box plots. After that we have the Sunburst chart. And also I'm going to add another image. So double click on image. Fit image, center image. And same thing, you can find the link to download the image in description. And we put it in our dashboard. So now I'm going to just readjust the worksheets. Okay, like that. Same thing in here. Okay. Now we go to the sheet and we decrease size of the bars, right? Okay. So same thing in here, we go to the label and we decrease it to 8. Okay. Increase this one a little bit. Same thing in here. Alright. Now I'm going to add the text sheets. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we start by the season, put it in here, then we will have the episode and the IMDB rating, release date, duration, and US viewers. So high title, same thing, high title, high title, high title. Okay. Just like that. Alright. And for the filters, so we keep only one. Like that. And we put it in here. So format for the font, it will be white. Same thing for the body, it will be white. And in the center, for the border, it will be white, same thing. And apply to worksheets, selected worksheets, and we select our worksheets. Okay. Now I'm going to put it like that. Okay, same thing in here. Okay. Alright, like that we get our final dashboard. As you can see, when we change the title, we get the episode, the season, the IMDb rating, etc. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.